Morning guys, it's Monday. I'm gonna show you what I normally do at home in this video. So, I usually lay in bed with my cat for a while, then get up at 10 to 11 a.m. It's a sunny day. Sleepy face. I think I'm gonna do the laundry today. I didn't wash my hair. Let's go make some breakfast. Actually, I can cook. I only learned how to make breakfast after I came to Bangkok. I usually fry bacon and eggs for breakfast. This is easy and quick to make and it won't taste bad. Say hi. So, my cat's here. So, I just changed my clothes. I've put on quite a bit of weight lately because I've been eating too much Thai food. So now I'm going to the fitness room. It's been a few days since I went to fitness room last time. I'm not a sport lover, you know, only for my health and control my weight. It's the yoga room. I usually pick weekday afternoons to come to the fitness room because there are fewer people. So I'm going for a jog today and maybe do some dumbbell exercise later. Let's start. I just finished all my exercise. I'm really gonna go home and take a shower. I've been watching some painting tutorials lately and have started painting watercolors on my iPad. It's a cupcake that I painted before and a kurami. I usually watch an anime while I'm painting. This is the anime I've been watching recently, Demon Slayer. I've sketched it out earlier. Now let's add some color. It's almost 6 p.m. I'm gonna order dinner. It's dark outside. Actually, my neck's not feeling well recently, so I decided to go to the sauna upstairs and maybe soak in the hot pool for a while. It's a kind of way to relax myself, you know? So let me pack some stuff and go upstairs. So this is the sauna room. I already set the temperature. I just put on my swimsuit, going to the hot pool, soak for a while. Let's go. So that's all what I did at home today. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next video. Bye.